Now come to Myanmar. Myanmar in the threat. Weapons. What about weapons? Kelidira Myanmar? Ilidya? What is happening in Myanmar? Very good. Currently there is a civil war. A military coup has happened and the democratically elected government was overthrown and military has taken control. A civil war alli enagta ide andre these military people are carrying out attacks against local ethnic people and these ethnic people are migrating into India. ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ B1? ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೇ. Indian challenges Myanmar ಜೊತೆ. Very good. Yes. Remember I told you in northeast there is somebody known as insurgents. Who are they? Insurgents. What do they do? What is their main job? Yaar insurgents? They are our own citizens who have taken weapons or who are attacking our own government and military for different purpose. Purpose can be they want a separate country or they want a separate state, etc. Avaru India lidre nam security forces bidtara? If they stay in India, will they be let by our security forces? So that is why they go and stay in Myanmar. And whenever they are ready, they come into Indian territory, attack and then go back. Artha agta idya? So these insurgents are having safe havens in our neighboring countries. All of you know kabaddi match? Kabaddi adade hengirutte? They will cross the line, they will go and attack and come back. Same way these these insurgents, they stay in Myanmar, come to our territory, attack and go back. Have you heard of any insurgent groups? Good. Nagaland kelidira? What is Nagaland? State of India. Very good. When did it become a state? Game over. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾಗಾಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ? UPSC PYQ 2025 Prelims. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅದು ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೆರಿಟರಿನ? ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿನ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಾಗಾಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ they are called as Nagas. So these Nagaland people, they are demanding a new country only. What do they want? New country. That new country is known as Greater Nagalim. What is it? Greater Nagalim. Andre, they are saying that, all of you know Manipur? Ilidya? Arunachal? Assam? Myanmar. Ishtu territories serisi. Combining all these territories, they want a new country. What is the name of the country? Greater Nagalim. Our army name or the group fighting for it is known as NSCN. Full form heliga? NSCN. N for Nagaland. S for last E ಏನು Nagaland na? National Socialist Council of Nagaland or Nagalim. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? This is a insurgent group. What are they doing? They are fighting Indian army only. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? What is their demand? Separate country. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Did you understand who are these insurgent groups? Now these people, if they stay in India, will the security forces allow them? ಹೊರದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. So that is why they go to other neighboring countries and stay there. Fine. Again, while discussing, we'll discuss in detail. What is the name of the group? NSCN. One more group is there. ULFA. Eek full form heli. U for Union. L for Liberation. United Liberation Front of Assam. What will be their demand? Greater Assam. Or they want separate Assam country only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಟು ಅಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಮಾರ್? ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಥ್ರೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ರೋಹಿಂಗ್ಯಾ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರೋಹಿಂಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಲಿಗಲಿ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಒನ್ ಥ್ರೆಟ್.